Welcome to Ryan Mitchell's review. I'm Ryan Mitchell, and in this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the Doritos Minis nacho cheese. That these bite-sized chips are perfect for snacking on the go, and they deliver the same great nacho cheese flavor as the regular Doritos. That they are crunchy, juicy, and undeniably addictive. For the pros, that is convenient size for quick snacks with an authentic nacho cheese flavor and suitable for various settings such as parties or gaming sessions. That may be considered pricey for the quantity, and its fragile packaging can lead to a crushed chips. With my overall, with the Doritos Minis nacho cheese are a great option for fans of the original flavor. If you're looking for a compact, flavorful snack, that these might be the perfect fit. Please subscribe to Ryan Mitchell's review for more product reviews and hit that notification bell to stay updated on new uploads. And thanks for watching.